Whether it's factory or field installed, we're building our connected fleet. John Deere Connected Support is an array of tools for Deere and our dealers that's really built off that machine connectivity. JDLink is a telematics connection. It's hardware on our machines, but it's also the data streaming coming off that hardware through the cloud back to John Deere.
It also allows the customer to be able to look at his own machines.
JDLink can tell you exactly how many gallons you're burning, what the machine's doing.
They literally have a monitoring system at the dealership that they're actually watching all the time.
A lot of times they'll know what's wrong before we even know we've got much of an issue.
For example, we monitor machine fault codes, machine utilization, idle time, temperatures.
Data is important because we need to know whether we're being profitable or not being profitable.
Remote diagnostics allows us to take a recording of the machine that we can later view and help diagnose if it is a sensor or another problem with the engine so that we can get the right parts with the technician to go on the service call and fix it in one trip.
So when the mechanic actually shows up on the job site, he has the correct parts to service the machine.
The Machine Health Monitoring Center is located in the Dubuque Works factory. This is really the command center for the entire machine monitoring network. We have visibility to over 90,000 machines and information coming off those machines.
Expert Alerts is we take all that machine data, we combine it with our product expertise, some advanced data analytics tools, and we look at patterns, and we find where patterns in the data matches a machine problem or impending failure. And what we do is we monitor that entire connected fleet real time through our machine health monitoring processes and team in Dubuque, Iowa. And when we see patterns show up on another machine in the field, we actually fire what we call an expert alert. And that alert goes to the local John Deere dealer. That dealer receives it, and then their machine monitoring team and or their service team will then engage the customer and talk about taking action based on that alert.
And that, in turn, allows us to repair the machine quicker, with less trips, saving warranty dollars and saving customer dollars.
Help arise before the downtime does.
The upstream benefits to JDLink data is pretty powerful as well. Our factory teams have access to this, so we can drive product quality improvements down to the factory floor every day from that data. Our engineering and marketing teams use that data to see machine utilization, operating conditions, duty cycles, those kind of things. And that's really powerful as inputs into the next generation of products that we make.
If we find that there's a situation that could be manufacturing based, it's really a simple walk for us to go from here, the Machine Health Monitoring Center, out to the production line.
It's like having a guardian angel looking over your fleet.
The more eyes on something, the better the situation. Somebody's got our back.